In November 2024, Pixlate hosted its first ever client workshop in Beijing, China. During the event, Pixlate's Vice President of Operations for APAC, Alvin Ling, introduced our newly expanded Seller Trust Index. The topic of supply chain then took center stage as Alvin further shared the latest supply chain trends, raising awareness of the impact and correlation between supply chain and invalid traffic. We shared insights about the new supply chain IVT types that Pixlate released and how that can help our partners identify quality risk issues across their supply chain. We had the pleasure of hosting a fireside chat with Ryan Chi, GM at MetaX, speaking about the challenges around CTV supply chain and how MetaX manages to navigate that in such a complex ecosystem. At Pixlate, we're truly grateful for the support from our clients and partners and look forward to seeing everyone at our next China workshop.